Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have just learned about many things related to React 18, and in the previous video I've telling you what is conditional rendering. So in this video we'll be also learning about rendering, but today we'll be not learning about conditional rendering. Today I'll be telling you what is list rendering. List rendering means like if you are making any of the list, like if you are building navbar, so how to align that navbar using render tag, and I'll be telling you how to align it from start to end using rendering. So just remember to hit a like to this video because it will be really helpful, and you will be learning about rendering, like how to just render any of, like you can say, the thing which you want to render. And this video will be really helpful because in this video we'll be learning about list rendering, and I hope you'll be enjoying this video from start to end. If you enjoy, and just if you understand this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, get notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future coming up videos, and also share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that because that will be giving you help. And just I hope you are understanding my previous React 18 videos, and if you are seeing this video first time, so remember to check my previous videos if you want to learn React 18 from start to end, because that will also giving you help. So just now we'll be starting with today's video, and I'll be telling you what is list rendering in React 18 and how to use it from start to end. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be working about list rendering here in React 18. So just now we'll be starting with our project, and I'll be telling you what is list rendering in React 18, how to use it. Like in the previous video, we have learned about conditional rendering, and in this video, I'll be telling about list rendering. So just now we'll be starting with that. I will be opening my VS Code and my default Google Chrome browser here. You can see here I've opened all this stuff. So this was our previous video in which we have learned about conditional rendering, and this was the codes which we have imported and which we have written. So in this video, I'll be telling about list rendering. So we will be now rendering a list. Step will be same here like in the previous video, the step were. So just you have to install the condition and the render tag using the terminal. Like in the previous video, I've telling you when you have just installed or it is already installed in your operating system. So just you have to import that like in the previous video we have done. So here I'll be writing import condition from React. Then I will be moving down and importing render as well. So you have to not write rendering. So you have to just now, okay, so mistake is that we don't have to write condition because in the previous video we were working with condition rendering. In this video I'll be telling about list rendering. So here I will be writing import list from React, and now here I will be writing render same tag like in the previous video we have used. Don't write rendering here, remember that. Only write render because render is a tag here. You can see it has been removed because now we are render here. We are using render tag to render our list. So for rendering list, you have to write a render tag here. After writing render tag, write here UL tag. When you've written this UL here in this, you have to write li, mean list. So in list, I will be writing home. After writing this home, just save this. You can see we are getting this home. Now I will be pasting it 4 times. So we will be getting our list here. So you can see now we are just pasting it. Here I will be writing about. Then write here services like this. After writing this, here I will be writing blog. Save. Now you can see we are getting our list here, means our list has also been rendered using this render tag, and we have also imported it by using this list and by using this render tag here. So like this you can work with this list tag, and I hope you understand how to render a list using list rendering, and I hope you understand how to just render a list using the render tag. And I hope you enjoy this video. This video was similar to the previous video in which we have learned about conditional rendering. Just difference for that, we have imported condition from React, and in this video we have imported list from React. And in the previous video we have just written here h1 because in that we have to do conditional rendering, and in this video we have to do list rendering. So I have written ul tag, means unordered list, and in unordered list I have written this list tag, so we can get our list on our browser at the front end. Now if I show you, you will be seeing that you will be not getting any error. Just error will be the same which we were getting of the version of the browser. You can see same error we are getting, but all the things has been perfect, means it is working here. So this was our project here. This was a small project, I know, but it is helpful for you, in which we have learned about rendering a list, how to render a list using React 18. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed understand this video how to render a list, so remember to hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe on this channel. I'll be uploading more videos like that because that will giving you help. And you can also check my all the previous stuff related to React 18 because that will also giving you help if you want to learn React 18, like how to create a React app, how to just run your React app, what is the code to run, how to include things in that, all the stuff. And I'll be also building project in future using React 18 app. I've built many of the clones using React and many different languages like Next.js 13, and I've also used Next.js to build a tutorial. I've also used Next.js 13 tutorial, so you can just check that all stuff if you want to learn that languages. And soon I'll be bringing up more tutorials of programming languages, which should be helpful for you. So just I'll be meeting next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.